Hi everyone. Today I'll be making Dolly Parton's stone soup. There's yours. There's yours. And there's yours. You can go ahead and just open it up this way and pull it out. And you know what that says?
Stone soup.
You know why you got that book? Because we are making stone soup. Dolly Parton's mom had 12 children, and she'd send all 12 kids to search for stones in the woods whenever she was making the soup, just like the book. When they returned, they scrubbed their rocks until squeaky clean, then gave them to their mother. Her mom carefully, to balance her time between 12 kids, would determine which one needed a little extra love or attention that day and use their rock. The stone would go in the soup.
Sissy, look over here. Or over there. Helpy, you got one? There you go. Let's see them, guys. Let me see your rocks. Hold them up. Stand right here.
What all goes into Dolly Parton's stone soup? Well, I'm going to add a little bit more than the recipe calls for, but I'll put the real recipe down in the description box below. 3 quarts chicken stock, 3 pounds russet potatoes peeled and diced, 1 28-ounce can of diced tomatoes, 1 head cabbage coarsely chopped, 1 pound turnips peeled and diced, 4 large carrots diced, 1 onion chopped, 4 garlic cloves minced, and I'll be using the already minced kind, 5 smoked ham hocks, and salt and pepper to taste. Optional, 3 stones thoroughly clean. So let's begin.
Now it's Penelope's turn to wash her stone. All right, let me see your rock. All right, now take this and scrub it. No, there you go. Hold it the other way. Like this. Okay.
I just want to wash it down.
Okay. There you go. Just be careful.
Okay, I'm going to hold it up. So you want me to wash this one? No,
Haven's turn to wash her stone.
So
Just a little bit of water. And then scrub your stone. Pick it up. You can pick it up. Scrub all over it. Now it's Inara's turn to clean her stone.
Here's my granddaughter Penelope, and she's going to put her stone in the big pot. Here's my granddaughter Haven, and she's going to put her stone in the big pot. Here is my granddaughter Inara, and she's going to put her stone in the big pot. Let's make Dolly Parton's stone soup. Add 3 quarts chicken broth. Penelope is going to add the 3 pounds of diced potatoes. Haven's adding the 4 diced carrots, but we actually used 5. Inara's adding 1 pound of diced turnips. Next, I'm adding 4 cloves minced garlic, which is 2 teaspoons. Penelope's adding 1 diced onion. Haven is adding 1 head of cabbage. Inara is adding 28-ounce can of diced tomatoes. Penelope is adding 1 ham hock. I added 2 ham hocks. Haven added ham hock number 4. Anara added the last ham hock. Buddy's helping as well. Alright, so the soup is done. We took out the ham hocks and my son is nice enough to cut it up for me in 1/2 pieces. Then we'll stick it back into the soup. So Haven is stirring up the soup, making sure everything's all mixed up. And she's doing a really good job. Okay, so Haven is going to actually put the ham hocks in the pan. Good job. Okay, so Penelope's going to add some ham hocks. Good job. Okay, now Anara's going to add some ham hocks. Good job. All right, so the soup is done. We'll get it dished up, and then the girls will give a taste test. All right, so here are my granddaughters. They helped me make the stone soup. They're going to be the taste tester. So, okay, whenever you're ready, go ahead. Yeah.
Try a bite.
Okay. Don't like it? Okay.
Haven?
10 out 100 out of 10 with the bread and 100 now. 1,000 out of 10.
Yay! That's because you guys made it. 1,000 out of 10? Is that for the bread or for the soup?
A bread.
For the bread. Okay.
I like it when I debate
Oh, yeah.
because it gets stuff right on for 100.
For 100. Okay.
What's yummy?
All right, so there you go. Again, the expert taste testers.
That much of food.
Dip it in there. Try it again.
I only like dumplings.
Okay.
That's like dumplings.
There you go. There you go.
There's stuff in there that's like dumplings. Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah.
You like
Well,
it that way?
she did good. You guys did a wonderful job in making the stone soup. I'm very proud of you, and thank you for your taste test. Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.